Go.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greetings everyone. Let us introduce ourselves. My name is Bustina Fajar.
And I am Ruli Gunawan.
We are a student of electrical engineering at Universitas Balikpapan. So today we will explain about our project.
Soil moisture to make sure that soil fertile. The goal of our project is to tell farmers what growing media can be used for planting on the loose soil. What are we doing in this project? In this project, we will find a solution about the lack of land for cultivating crops for farming. Therefore, the current solution in this situation is to change the traditional way of farming into hydroponics.
How do we run our project? A potential solution to this problem is to make a planting medium that can be stacked. So we need to know the type of planting media that can be used for farming by measuring the humidity produced by the growing media when it's watered.
Therefore, we created a tool that can read the humidity of the planting media and determine whether the planting media is fertile or not. And the result of the readings can be stored in a database to be used as a reference for farming.
Let me demonstrate the tools. So in here we have three samples. First of all, a sand. Second, a husk soil. And the third, a clay. First of all, we need to turn on the tools. So we have the tools in here. Here's the tools. We need to turn on these tools by connecting tools but with the power supply or power bank. And here, as you can see, the tools is now turning on. And after the tools is turning on, we put the probe in the sample. In this scenario, we use a husk by measuring the humidity of this husk. And then, after we input the probe, we turn on the switch in here to send the data. And then, when the data result is sent, we turn off the knob, the switch, and then we can see in the server that we connected to these tools. And as we can see, the data is already here, so we just need to type the name of the soil. In this scenario, is the husk. The husk soil, and then we send the data. And when we click here and tap here, you can see the data is already stored in database. In here, you have the name, husk soil, the condition is fertilized, the variable is 651. And then, while we're researching this project,
The reason why we research this project is that the benefit that we get from this tool are very clear and very profitable, because when we use this tool, we can distinguish the various type of media that we can use for farming. And this very useful in condition area where there is minimal space for cultivation land. An example of the use of this research is so that we can follow a project to cover a building with plants found in Vienna, Austria, which is very useful for cities with narrow land for farming. And the cost to make this project is 500,000 rupiah or 32.74 US dollar.
in conclusion, of this project is to help farmers in the city overcome the price of farming land and open the opportunity for them to cultivate the crops without using the extensive planting media.
That's all from us. Thank you for your time. If there is a mistake, we apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.